Hello guys, today I will be applying this SUVAT equation in real life to find the height of the floor I live in. So we need time, and I will drop this ice cube down, and when it reach the floor there, I will stop the timer and we can get tea. Alright, let's go. Okay, drop. Alright, as you all can see, the ice cube took roughly 1.57 seconds to reach the floor, and now we have time here which is 1.57 seconds, and we can substitute this into the formula. S equals u, initial velocity is 0, time 1.57 plus 1 over 2 acceleration. The ice accelerates at 9.81 meters per second because that's the gravitational acceleration. So 9.81 and time 1.57. Remember, there's a square here. And this 0. S equals 1 over 2 9.81 times 1.57 squared. Right, let me pull out the calculator here. Oh my god. Here we go. Wait. Alright. And the answer is the displacement of the ice cube, or the height of the floor that I live in, is around 12.1 meters. There we go. Physics in real life, guys.